How to sell ebook on Gumroad. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to go to any web browser and then kindly type Gumroad. Click this one. Okay, so this is what Gumroad looks like. And in order for you to start, you just have to scroll down and click this Start Selling. Now, if you don't have an account yet, you have to create an account. But if you have an account, all you have to do is to click login, enter your email address, and then your password. So we have ways here on how to sign up: Facebook, Google, and we have other ways here. Once done, what you're going to do is to simply scroll down and then tap this. Create your first product. Tap this. And then after that, what you're going to do is to click this next customize. But you can also find a product here. For example, you are a customer. What you're going to do is to click the name of that book and then tap any of the category here. But since you're about to sell something, you have to click next customize. So for example, this is the title of your book, okay, your product. What you're going to do is to add some descriptions, add some URL. You can upload images, you can upload thumbnail if you want. And then once you're okay with that, then click save and continue. Now, what you're going to do here, if you want to create some thumbnails or if you want to create a cover for your book, you can simply go to Canva and edit your thumbnail and your cover if you want. Okay, so there are tons of designs and templates there that you can use in Canva. Once done, you can edit some information here, set your price, and then you can now start selling. So that's it. That's how to sell ebook on Gumroad. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.